as the value of x, tapos 7 as the value of y. The relational value is true. So, bakit naging true? We're asking if 8 not equal to 7. So, alam naman natin na 8 is not equal to 7. That's why that is true. Another test, let's say mag-enter tayo ng 9 as the value of x and 9 din yung value ng y. The relational value is false. Okay, so bakit naging false? Kasi ang tinatanong natin is if 8 or x not equal to y. So, ang equation is 9 not equal to 9, true or false. So, 9 not equal to 9, that is false. Next, we have greater than. So, same code. Palitan lang natin to ng greater than. Then, kapag trinan natin to guys, dito sa my output, mag-enter tayo ng 6 as the value of x and 8 as the value of y. So, the relational value is false. Kasi ang tinatanong natin is if x greater than y. So, 6 greater than 8, that is false. Another test, we have 6 as the value of x and 6 as the value of y. The relational value is false. Bakit again false? Kasi we are asking if 6 greater than 6. So, that is false. Now, let's try less than. Palitan lang natin yung symbol, gawin natin siyang less than. Try ulit to run again. So, may output, maglagay ulit tayo ng 4 as the value of x, then 5 as the value of y. The relational value is false. So, paano naging false? Ang tinatanong natin dito ngayon guys is if x less than y. So, we have here 4 less than 5, that is true. So, we have naman greater than or equal. So, kung naalala nyo dun sa greater than or equal, na-false po yung 6 greater than 6. So, dito ngayon guys, try natin tong greater than or equal. We have 6 as the value of x, and then 6 again as the value of y. The relational value is true. Kasi ang condition na natin ngayon dito, or ang tinatanong natin is if x is greater than or equal to. So, we have 6 greater than or equal to 6. That is true. 6 is equal to 6. Next operator is the logical operator. Logical operators are used to determine the logic between variables or values. Same with relational operator, true or false din ang binibigyan niya na sagot. So, these are the logical operators na ginagamit sa Java. So, this is for the end. Returns true if both statements are true. So, kung titignan natin dito sa example, kung papansinin nyo, dalawang relational operator ang ginagamit. So, basically, logical operators are used to compare or get the value ng dalawang relational operator. So, try natin dito sa code natin guys. Edit lang muna natin. Explain ko mamaya kung ano ibig niya sabihin. We have x less than y and x greater than 10. We're going to run this program. Dun sa may output guys, let's say mag-enter tayo ng 2 as the value of x and 5 as the value of y. The logical value is false. So, paano siya naging false? Dito sa first condition natin guys, yung x less than y, so we have 2 less than 5, that is true. Okay? Then we have the operator and to get the logical value ng isa pang condition. So, yung isang condition natin is x greater than 10. 2 greater than 10, that is false. So, dun sa truth table, kung gagamit tayo ng truth table, T and F, that is equal to F or false. Okay? Kaya po, ang sagot is false. Next, we have the OR operator. So, try natin ditong palitan yung condition natin dito. So, we have OR operator and run natin yung program. So, dun sa output guys, mag-enter tayo ng 2 as the value of x again and 5 as the value of y. The logical value is true. So, paano naman siya naging true? Dito, sa condition natin, yung first condition, that is x less than y. So, we have 2 less than 5, that is true. And we have the logical operator n. Tapos, dun sa second condition natin,